Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this just listed pool home in the residential estates. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 785 Little Drive in the residential estates. So you have natural gas, underground utilities. This sits on a nice corner lot. It's just listed for $795, fully redesigned and remodeled. So you can see the property line there between the water boxes. Lots of boat, RV, side parking. So again, it sits on a big corner lot, 15,600 square feet. All right, let's go check it out. Got a ton of side RV boat parking over here as well. Looks like there's clean outs and power, water. Cool circular driveway. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 1989, 2,502 square feet, but it's been totally redesigned and remodeled. Huge, tall, vaulted ceilings. There's also a bonus office type bedroom, just listed for $795. So you have the big format tile floors, nice little formal dining area. All new low-E windows, trowel down walls and ceilings. Nice big step down open living area, double door slider out to the backyard pool area. So you have a cool little bar setup with an ice maker and a sink, tiled tops. This home is used as a vacation rental, and everything you see is available outside of escrow. It's all really nice stuff. I kind of scoped it out. You have a really nice open kitchen with a huge granite topped island. You have a glass door out to the backyard pool area. Lots of windows and lights in here. Another little dining nook. Black stainless appliances, soft touch closed cabinets. Another little bar area with a wine fridge and a sink. These doors are pretty cool. They kind of fold up. Very nice. So this house is in the residential estates, has natural gas, underground utilities. There's also speakers in the ceiling, big skylight. So this is a split floor plan. The master is on one side, the other bedrooms are on the other. So you have your indoor laundry, garage door access, and your master, double door entry, huge space, tall ceilings in here as well. Big windows, slider out to the backyard pool area. You also have a real big, nice master bath. Dual sinks with the same granite tops, soft touch closed cabinets. You have a soaker tub and a glass walled walk-in shower, dual heads. You also have a cool little vanity and a big walk-in closet. The toilet also has its own door, and there's also a skylight in here that has its own little shade, which is cool. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. All right, back on the other side of the house. It's gonna go straight ahead. First room you run into is a guest bedroom. The front of the house has your typical double glass slider closet doors. So at one end of the hall, you have the little bonus office type setup. They're using it as a bedroom, but you can't really call it a bedroom because there's no closet. Has a skylight, big windows. All right, going down the other side of the hall, you have a glass door out of the hall to the backyard pool area. You have a real nice guest bath with granite tops, under lighting, soft touch closed cabinets, huge mirror. Big tall ceilings in here as well. And a tiled shower. So there's also a linen closet that they're using as a owner lockout closet. So at the end of the hall, you have your exit out to the pool area and your third bedroom. Vaulted ceilings in here as well. Slider out to the backyard pool area. Lots of natural light in this house. Got a little granite topped nook here. Double glass slider door, closet. All right, back over off the master and kitchen, you have your indoor laundry, beer fridge, and a little sink, maybe like a dog washer. Pretty cool. Has a skylight in here as well. So you have your 3-car garage. It has a 20-foot and 27-foot bays, 7-foot insulated doors, epoxy floors, central vac. It's where the softener lives right there. Got your air handler, dual water heaters. One is solar, the other one is on natural gas. Skylight, man door out to the side yard. You also have your RO system out here as well. Let's go check out the pool. So you have a real nice backyard pool setup, covered patio, can lights, speakers, barbecue area on natural gas. Nice views of the mountains, Cupcake Mountain. Pool looks like it's in good shape, has a little Baja shelf, stamped concrete decking, glass sections in the wall back there, a lineal drain. It doesn't have a autofill, so they have this little thing, which kind of stinks. Little paver area up to the standalone spa. Tons of side parking over here. You also have a little lake shot off of the corner over here by the spa, and you can get a pretty good mountain view. You got Cupcake Mountain right there. Here's your gated side RV boat access. The gate looks a little narrow to get an RV in there, but you can just fix that easily. Your air compressor, AC, and your pool equipment lives behind the fence out of the sun. Have a tiled shower. little fire pit seating area. There is a hanging wall TV. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoy the quick little video walk through the house over here on Little. Again, this one was just listed for $795. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Again, this one is being used as a vacation rental, so the financials are available upon a contract acceptance, and all the furniture is also available outside of escrow. If you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.